Just to let you know a little about our end of day new stocks momentum watch list. We run a scan at the end of each day looking for our momentum breakouts on our swing trader setups charting package. This list of stocks is designed to be placed on an already building watch list of other stocks that are in the momentum zone, and then we filter out the others as they lose momentum. Emphasis is always placed on the stocks that latest appeared on the list, and that's what the end of day live stream over on YouTube are, the new additions with the newest momentum alerts. It's a great way to create your day trading watch list for tomorrow. The purpose of this video is just to inform you about the live stream on YouTube. We also take that same video when it's not oversized and place it over on Ticker TV. That's ticker.tv website for traders. Let's take a look at what the basic charts show you in the silent video so you'll know what we're looking at. Just want to show you a few sample charts so you'll understand the concept. We're trying to find consolidation, and what the alert is the two blue ones at the bottom indicate momentum. Now this stock first showed up with a double momentum on this particular day right here. Then it pulled back a day, still maintained the top side blue one. The lower one went away on that big pullback. As it came back up, today it appeared the lower momentum pushed away, which rejoined the original alert we had, and the momentum broke out early in the morning. Now if you're scanning with real-time data, you could pick that up intraday as it actually process this indicator, but this is the end of day video when we find that this took place. So that indicates that this stock is picking up momentum and we're looking to break out of this consolidation. Looking back to your left on this chart, this consolidation period, when it first started down, it gave a momentum right here on this little actually it looks like a little hammer candle. If we zoomed in there, little hammer candle right there actually gave the momentum to the downside, and then the next day it had a green bar, and this day right here this momentum regained. So as it rejoined, the two blue ones were out in the right hand column like we have today, and you could tell we're indicating downward momentum. And we also crossed our green or red line is the actual value of our bull and bear zone break, and at the time of this breakdown it was right in this area on the red line. So it went into the bear zone with the momentum indicator joining. The next day it consolidated a day and then continued with another huge day down. Now you always want to know where support and resistance is. Part of our charting system includes that, and on this chart over to the left, I'm going to put the cursor there, and then I'm going to back up to that one spot right here where this breakdown took place. This stock had already lost the 50-day multiple days before. That's that blue band over there. And the particular day that this appeared on, you see that wick was on that orange line. That's the 200-day moving average. So there's always a reason and something involved. It tried to hold up the next day, third day over. So first it appeared on your list right here. Right here this showed up. So you can look at your charts, look at your 200-day, look at support and resistance. Now our charting package includes the chart you see to the left. That also puts the momentum at the bottom with those green and pink lines, which are old support and resistance lines. And when this stock sold off, when it got down here, you can see it ran into a pink line, which was an old low coming back out of the past that it held for support. But in the video that we're running the live stream on, it's just showing this one major chart here, and you're looking for this momentum increase, and we're hoping to find the consolidation. That's what we're looking for, is consolidation breaks. We only want to show you a couple of example charts. This is an example, showed up on the same day that I'm making this video. You got the two blue ones simultaneously opening up. You've got this consolidation period here. Same thing you had back here, you got two at one time. That's indicating some momentum here. Tomorrow, this might be a great stock to break out to the upside. Definitely needs to be on the watch. It does not have to be breaking out into the level. This is our indicator for momentum. This is just an overlay with the same color code on it so that you can see the blue and the yellow on the chart. Nice example of ExxonMobil, long base here, and on the left hand little chart down here you can see this is an old high. This green line was an old high, and it's running into that line, so that's a spot where you got to watch. You've got resistance. Can we break through it? We had the momentum gain yesterday, and then the second one drew in today, so it made our scanner for gaining momentum. It also broke above our bull zone. This is the closing price up at the top here, 84.24. Our bull zone level is 83.66. Now, as we break out in our bull zone, we want to try to stay above the bull zone level. It's going to continually recalculate itself once we break above it. And we want to hope we stay closed above it every day. And as long as we are, we're gaining momentum. This is an example of a stock that took several days to break out. It gave the two blue ones right here. And keep in mind that the bull zone green line was down lower at the time, and it was even lower yesterday than it is today. It's going up as the momentum gains. But the stock consolidated for 5 or 6 more days here. The upper blue one never went away. And then the lower blue one rejoined today as this stock gapped up and broke out. It had a big day yesterday. So by having it on the watch list, you might have been aware of that. Also, by watching support and resistance, it's in this left-hand chart to your left. If I can get it a little more viewable here. We had some old highs we were contending with, and finally yesterday it closed above that most recent high back here. There were some other highs even further in history, and this was a major high here at this 290, 297 level. When the stock gapped up today, it went back and retested that old resistance, new support. And that's why we supply the support and resistance line in the charting package. I want to key in on some support resistance here. As this stock was selling off, I want you to see what's going on the bigger chart on the left. As it worked its way down, here's the 50-day moving average. It broke below it. The next day it tested it, and then it continued on down. And the next morning, it broke even further for a strong sell-off after it lost the 50-day. You got this double blue ones for momentum the next morning. That would have showed up right along in this area around $57.31. That's where that red line would have been approximately when it broke down. Would have showed up on a bear zone alert intraday or intraday right here with the two blue ones. And then had the continuation of a multi-day sell-off. Now, when it took out this previous low back here, that now became resistance, and you can see the multiple days that it tried to come up. It can't get back through that level. That is now resistance, old support, new resistance. And then yesterday or 3 days ago, it tried to break up it came back, retested this support level, and lost it again. So it's headed back down. Now it's got the two blue ones. So can it hold a double bottom here, or does this stock break down for further momentum to the downside? It looks like it's going to test the support. That's why it's good to have the other information as well as the momentum indicator. Quick look at a couple of more. Here's a consolidation, big wiki candle. Got both our blue ones to come in, showing some momentum now is taking place. We don't know what this is going to do. It's a good strong bullish candle. It closed in the upper part of this range, which is also bullish. And back over here on our support resistance chart to the left, we've got support. This has been holding for quite a bit. It retested it today. That low of that candle went down very close to where that line is at there. And so that's a really good thing when you can retest support and then have a explosive candle. So we'll see what the next day brings. Last chart we're doing in the tutorial, this is FTV over here on the daily. Got the top blue one yesterday. Secondary came in early in the morning and gave this second big move up. Now this can be scanned. Like I say, you can possibly even use some free data from many sources like TD Ameritrade or so forth. You could scan these intraday for free with our package with a free data plan. The chart to the left, first we were breaking off the 50-day on the first day up, and then we had a little high back here that it kind of held that area. And this morning it looked like it went back, this last day's candle went back and tested probably that high that was plotted back here around 68, 78, 68, and then proceeded on up through some previous old highs going way back on this daily chart. That's what the green line is about. This is a resistance area here, and that's pre-plotted on the chart showing the level, and then this level of this last high at 81.51 is also plotted that it's running into, and you can see up here it got to, looks like 81.31 end of the day. This is a little 15-minute chart that if you have a real live data plan, whether it be a free one from TD Ameritrade or one of the other providers that you can use with Ninja, you could also use the scans for intraday type candles. This is a 15-minute, and yesterday on this big day as well as today on the big day, you had the blue one join early on the opening of the day, indicating your upside, and then you went into that several days back highs right here. By plotting this on a 15-minute chart, we're able to plot these high levels right on the chart. It broke through those, and a typical and very bullish pullback was back to the support resistance line. Old resistance, new support, supported it well, continued back up, and then base sideways the end of the day. This morning, first thing it did was push the blue one back into the picture right here. Two blue ones again, momentum again for a nice upward move again. By having these on your watch list, you can pick up these kind of daily trades or move into a swing trade. So that's what the charts are about. And as you watch the live stream and you see the charts, you can pause the videos, of course, and you can go back and look at the history on the charts as well as what we're looking at today. You cannot look at the support and resistance because we only display in one chart in that live stream. Thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel. For more information on our standard candle charting package, swing trader setups, trading package, trade with a higher probability of success, bull zone and bear zone alerts, price action and momentum, works on any time frame. You can use it on end of day or you can use it on intraday, and many times you can use it with free data. So if you have your real-time data package available to you, which can be free or paid, you can actually run the bull and bear zone scans right off a 10-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, or off the free intraday data. And with your live real-time intraday, Not only do you find the stocks that were there at the end of the day, you'll find them on the daily chart as they actually broke, because some of those break out intraday in the middle of the day or early morning. And remember, those daily and weekly charts can be created with the free end-of-day data feed, great for building day trade swing trading watch list. This package is available on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is no charge to use if you're not trading from the platform. It's free to use, and you just install our package. Comes complete with all charts, scanners, everything pre-built. Costs $39 a month. There's no contract. Cancel it anytime. So you can find out more about that package at swingtradersetups.com.